Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all a real easy, quick chicken and rice recipe today. It's not how I do mine, so it's gonna be a little bit different, and we're gonna do it in the crock pot. So you go ahead and get your crock pot and spray it with some non-stick spray. Take about 3 chicken breasts. Try to get some good sized ones. You can use the chicken tenders, but you would definitely have to double or triple those. Okay. Then we're gonna put some chopped onion in here on top of them. And I'm gonna use some cream of chicken soup. So I've already got my cream of chicken on there, got some my onion all chopped up and everything. You need to cook this on high for like 3 to 4 hours, and then I will come back to you and show you what to do next. See you in a few. Okay, y'all, so it's already been about 4 hours. I've already cooked this, got it ready, went in, kind of pulled it apart a little bit, you know, wasn't like super perfect with it. Okay, and so while that was doing that, I went ahead and I'm using the Mahatma yellow rice in this, and I went ahead and cooked it. And we'll add it to it. I picked the measurements on this weren't clear, so I just did that according to my family. So I chose the 16-ounce size, and I cooked it according to package directions. So I'm going to let this just kind of sit in here for a little while longer. And you're supposed to add a can of drained corn, whole kernel, and stir that up. Okay, I'll let that sit. And then for the finishing touch, you're supposed to put cheese on the top, and that wasn't clear either in the recipe, so I just decided 2 cups worth, which is about 8 ounces, and just let that continue on low for a little while until that's heated and melted, and it should be ready to go, and I will show you in a little while as soon as it's ready. This was a really simple dump and go recipe. It didn't take long to get done and cook, and it should taste great. I'll see y'all next time.